Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we run the test from the command line, how we run the Cucumber test from command lines, and how we pass the tag and to execute only particular tags scenario. So let me start now. And you can see here, this is the JUnit runner, and this runner I have already created in the previous tutorial. Okay, so if you are watching in sequence, so definitely when I was created the JUnit runner, at that time you can see these runner I have created at that time. Okay, so we don't need to do anything here after the created the test runner. Okay, rest of the code is also same, and we need to create this add some suffix and test. Okay, like JUnit runner, I have added here the suffix as a test. So when we run the this code using the ambient maven command, okay, so in that time this will run the tags what I have mentioned here. Like I'm going to use here the some different tag, like suppose that going to run smoke tag. Okay, these tag I have already defined in a user uh, in scenario. Okay, like here smoke, and if I go here I have also added the smoke one. Okay, so if I use the maven command to run these scenarios, okay, so let me show how we run that. So first of all, open the command prompt like this. Okay, go to your project. How will we know where is project? Just right click on here and copy this path. Okay, so navigate to this particular location, cd. Okay, just type a command ambient and test. Okay, type, run this. So this will execute the test. Okay, now you can see this is running the test. This is started executing the test cases. So this will execute the all the scenario where we have added smoke tag. Okay, so currently I have added the two in two scenario with smoke. One is login functionality, and second is here verify product in JC Plenary. Okay, so now you can see the test is executed successfully. And if I want to check the report, okay, we can just go to the here target folder. Okay, this is the report is generated. Okay, let me open this report. This is the target folder. Okay, here report is generated. Open that and open Cucumber report. You will see here both test is executed, smoke test. Okay, so in this way, what tag by default I have added here in the JUnit runner, that will execute. Okay, now next, how we execute any particular tags. Okay, and why we are required to run the test from command line, because when we are going to integrate this with the CI tools like Jenkins or TeamCity, Bamboo, or any other CI tools, right? So in that case, we require to run our test using the command line, using some commands, so that we can add these commands in the pipeline in the Jenkins jobs to execute the test. Okay, so that's why we required. Now how we run any particular scenario here, where we have mentioned any tag, right? Like suppose that I want to run only login a test, so we can use ambient. So this is the clean, so this will clean the previous builds. Okay, uh, now next we need to use the -d. Here I need to mention Cucumber, then filter dot tags. This is also dot. Okay, the Cucumber filter tags, and then I can pass here a tag name. So I am going to run the login test. Okay, so I will mention here the login tag. So now running the test. So in that case, you will see here only the scenario will execute where we have added the login tag. So as of now, in one scenario, I have added the login tag here. Okay, so only this scenario will execute. Yeah, test is executed one and success failure 0, error 0, escape 0. Okay, so now you can see the report here. Let me refresh this. Here you can see one scenario is executed. Okay, so now next, if you want to pass the multiple tags, then how we do that? Okay, so in that case we will use the same filter. Here we can use the and or. Okay, so like suppose that I am going to use and, so this is the and smoke. Okay, so in that case this will execute the scenario which contains login as well as the smoke. If scenario contains both tag, then that will be executed, otherwise not. Okay, so now in that case one scenario will execute because this contains both login as well as the smoke. So using this feature we can also put some conditions and or, and we can execute the selected test cases. Only one scenario is executed, and if I go and refresh page, you will see only one tag is executed where we have smoke as well as the login. Okay, so now let me show something here. Suppose that I don't have here tag smoke tag. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so in that case there is no scenario here which will contain both tag smoke as well as the login. Okay, so if I run this, what will happen? Let me show. Let me clean first. Yeah, we are not getting any test, right, which contains both a tag smoke as well as the test. Okay, now next we can also pass here the or option. Okay, when I will pass here the or option, it means this will execute all the scenario where either login or smoke or both scenario tag are mentioned. Okay, now let me run that. Yeah, one scenario is executed. Now going to execute other one. Okay, so let me show the report now. If I refresh this, yeah, you will see here this scenario smoke is executed. Okay, and this login is executed. Okay, so now I'm going to show one more combination where we have both tag, okay, login as well as the smoke. Okay, here login and smoke is both tag are there. Okay, so if I use again or, so what will do, this will run this scenario or not? Okay, yes, in that case this will also work. So when we are using or, then it means it will execute all the test which contains login tag or smoke tag or both. Okay, so let me show now. And when we are using and, okay, then it means that will execute the scenario which will contain both tag smoke as well as the login. So we can also pipe multiple tags, more than 2 tags, okay, using the and operator as well as the or operator. Yeah, let me show the report. Now you will see here both test is executed. Yeah, both scenario is executed. Okay, thanks for watching the video.